Whoa. Don't move! Something is inside the box! It's moving. It's moving! It's moving! It's moving! Do you want to open it with me?
Yes!
Set will turn E?
Yes!
Say O-P-E-N. Open!
Open!
Pen! Listen carefully. Wow! Look at the shapes! Look at the shapes! Look at the shapes! What is that sound? Bark, bark, bark! Is it a dog or a cat? Is it a dog or a cat? Is it a dog or a cat? Dog. 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 Touch your head if it's a dog. Good job! Let's go again! Woo, woo, woo again! Something new is coming! Something new is coming! Something new is coming! I wonder, what is this? What is this? What is this? Dog. Who or cat? Cat, cat, cat! Cat! Say C-A-T loudly. Level 2, are you ready? Level 2, are you ready? Level 2, are you ready? What animal is this? Moo, 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 moo. Cow or lion? Cow or lion? Cow or lion? Cow, 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 cow. Clap 3 times for the cow. Awesome! Level 3, get ready, villagers! Roar! Listen! 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 Lion, 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 lion. Or duck, or duck, or duck, or duck. Lion! 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 Jump if it's a lion! Yay! Now! A tricky one. Quack, quack, quack! What is this? What is this? What is this? Duck or dog? Duck or dog? Duck or dog? Duck. Duck, 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 duck. Wait. Something is still inside. Something is inside. This is the B.I. Giga surprise. Whew. Come back tomorrow. We will open it together.
Wow! You did an amazing job today!
Do you love animals? Do you love animals? Do you love animals?
This is my fun summer animals coloring book. You can color cute animals. Just like these.
Color, play, and learn at the same time. Do you want it?
Ask your mom or dad to check the link below. It's waiting for you.
Wait. Wait, the mystery box is moving again! Next time, we will open the biggest surprise ever! Don't miss it!